that is related to hand wash. Kara, do you know how long you have to do hand wash?
20 seconds.
20 seconds is right. You need to do hand wash for 20 seconds or you can sing ABCD for one time. Before we start, make sure to like, subscribe and share our channel. Let's start the experiment. So I have a bowl of water here. Now Kara, can you take the pepper? Kara, can you put the pepper in? Yeah, more. Yeah, more. Yes. More. Yep. So when we put this pepper, imagine this as germs. Okay, Kara, that's enough. Now, Kara, imagine that these are germs. Take your finger, your mother finger. What's this? What's your finger? Mommy finger, right? Put it in. See, germs are coming, right? Yeah. I told you to imagine this as germs. Now when you put your hand in, germs. Ew, yucky.
Yeah, lucky.
So you can get bad health or you can get ill with these germs. Now let's see how the soap makes an important role. Kara, can you press some soap in? Okay, that's enough. Okay, Kara, take your finger, mommy finger again and dip it in. Yes, little bit more. Okay, see, now our hand is full of soap. Now, Kara, can you dip it again? No! One more, keep on dipping. See, all of, example, this is germs, so all the germs are running away from your hand when your soap is there. So, when you wash your hands with soap, all the germs run away. So it's very important. Now we'll show you how to wash your hands. I'm going to show you how I wash my hands. So first, I'm going to put some water on my hands. Now putting my soap, the most important thing. Now you have to rub your palms together. After that, and the back. And then between your fingers, between your nails, rub. Then rub your palm, wrist. Now wash it. Very good, Kara. You sang the song. Yeah. Now it's your turn to wash your hands. Yeah, that's it. Wash. 1, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next I want to sing with me. Okay, now you can wash your hands. So